Our New Zealand made Nsala soup is ready. So guys, this is Nsala soup just for history and origin purpose. Nsala soup is white soup that is popularly cooked by Anambra people in the eastern part of Nigeria. So to cook this, you use any protein of your choice. I'm using mackerel fish today, and I've got a bowl of mushroom and some mussels. Yep. Okay, guys, come on, let's go to the pot. That is the fish steaming there, and I have got my chicken at the other side steaming. I'll be using this one for stew. So, guys, why I make this food, I will just tell you guys some story. So, as you guys know, white soup, when you talk about white soup and salad soup, you think of Anambra State. So, my very encounter with this soup and why I decided to devote some time and energy into learning how to make it. The first day I visited my in-laws, my sister-in-law was super excited that the brother brought home an Owerri lady. And she was like, "Oh, Chi, you would make Owerri soup for us." And I was like, "Nope, I don't know how to make that." And she was like, "How about Nsala?" I was like, "I don't know how to make any of those." Yep. So for the very first time at the talking stage, I watched my husband step up and defended me. He was like, "No, no, no, no. I didn't get entangled with her for her to be anyone's cook. In fact, she doesn't know how to cook. It's one of those things that we have to figure out, or we can get someone to do the cooking for us." Yeah. You guys know it's not every day that you will get an Anambra man that thinks that way. Yeah. So that was it. And few years down the line, I decided to take the bull by the horn. I did my research. I watched a lot of cooking channels. Get all the recipes sorted out, and I continued to acquire the cooking skills, to fine tune them wherever necessary. And today I could just imagine or just look at things and put tantalizing meals together. Isn't that amazing, guys? See, our Nsala soup is almost ready. So I just put in the mushrooms, and yeah, if I tell you guys that the aroma that filled my house, the street, my neighbors, this is massive, guys. Yeah, this really slapped. Yeah. So guys, what do you think about what you are seeing? Is it going to be a eat or pass situation for you? So I'm just checking up on the chicken that I'll be using for stew later. Yeah, just opened up the pot again. I can't get enough of my work. Yeah, just look at that. Zoom in, guys. Yeah, finally, this gear can now cook. Oh. So this is the smoked mackerel fish. Yeah, very soon now it will be ready. For me, I'm just licking. Yeah, you're welcome to have it with your pounded yam or any swallow of your choice. But I will tell you for free that Nsala soup usually slaps with pounded yam. Yes, zoom in. Zoom in. Okay, guys, so this is my pumpkin soup. This is New Zealand styled pumpkin soup. Yeah, I know, guys. Yeah, I blend a lot of food here. I do my cultural food, New Zealand born. Yeah, I'm just into trying recipes here and there. So I would just grab the pumpkin I used. That's that one in making this yummy pumpkin soup, and I've plated my portion, the one I'll be taking to work for lunch the next day, and I will leave the rest of it for the boys to have for their lunch. Yeah. You can see a wife material 100 years. Yeah, come on guys. I'm super tired, and yeah, that's why I'm making that face. So this is my stew. Yeah, I didn't put the chicken in there. I also air fried it. So yeah, stew is ready. Use it for rice, and steam some frozen vegetables to make it balanced, or you can use it for some fries. Yeah.